The Wright brothers' first flight was shorter than the wingspan of an Airbus A380 and Boeing 747. But that first flight totally redefined our lives. Today, unmanned aircraft, UAs or drones are redefining our lives in an even more dramatic way. Like man-made flight itself, drones were thought to be in the realms of fantasy. But the incredible fact is that Australian Aboriginals created the first form of unmanned aircraft thousands of years ago, the boomerang. And since the early 21st century, V TOL Aerospace, a global leader in commercial drone operations, has built on this pioneering Australian technology. The first of their cutting-edge aircraft was the Warrigal, the Aboriginal name for wild dog. Building Aussie genius upon Aussie genius, V TOL now leads from the very cutting edge of the commercial unmanned aircraft systems industry. Today, V TOL is the benchmark of compliant, robotic, airborne intelligence in Australia and is considered to be a world leader in regulator-approved flight operations and training. Operating at the very cutting edge, V TOL collaborates globally with key innovators. The industry is currently excited by the new technology referred to as Secure Integrated Airspace Management, SIAM for short. This advanced digital network solution demonstrates V TOL's position as a global leader in unmanned aircraft flight operations.
We were the first country in the world to create regulations which could be used for the operation of unmanned aircraft in the commercial space, and so therefore there was a need to develop things such as this course.
V TOL and its CASA-approved training and capability development organisation, the Australian Unmanned Systems Academy, AUSA for short, provides a fully integrated unmanned aircraft systems solution to its core Australian customer base. That base includes many peer ASX 200 companies, as well as local, state and federal government agencies. V TOL and AUSA have an international reputation for delivering benchmark products and services to many neighbouring nations in the Australasia and Asia-Pac region.
There's a lot of people bringing in remote helicopters and also wanting to do a bit of UAV flying, so we need to police it.
What's the first thing that happens?
Well, more lift there, less lift there.
V TOL Aerospace is recognised as a global leader in air regulator-approved unmanned aircraft pilot and specialist remote crew training. Hundreds of pilots have launched their careers from AUSA, including students from numerous other nations, and key staff from 3 different government airspace regulators, including CASA. Today, V TOL Aerospace sits on the CASA Unmanned Aircraft Systems Subcommittee, contributing to the development of future regulations. The chief pilot of V TOL is the industry co-chair for Working Group 2 Air Operations. Based on an unprecedented depth of experience and breadth of proprietary solutions, V TOL Aerospace designs and manufactures a suite of targeted, small unmanned aircraft, fixed-winged, multi-rotor and hybrid quad-plane variants, as well as support equipment like rugged field portable video receivers. V TOL is also an unmanned aircraft flight service provider that is clearly leading the way in cost-effective surveillance and survey application development to deliver incredibly detailed outcomes. With the addition of advanced SIAM digital airspace management technology, V TOL offers a new level of safety in UA services and products that lead the way to more advanced flight operations. Almost all research and development organisations, from CSIRO to universities, even Australian industry registered organisations, partner with V TOL to scope and deliver their research and development initiatives.
On their motor, they reckon they could go to a lower KV.
This is a win-win because all research and development is ultimately driven by a clear path to commercialisation. The ultimate driver is exponentially leveraging Australia's high-tech industry whilst propelling all Australian key economic industry sectors. Today, across all sectors, agriculture, mining and industry, forestry and fisheries, the environment, infrastructure, construction and government services, V TOL is rapidly becoming that much sought-after competitive X-factor. V TOL focuses on a clear business case that forges better capabilities and delivers the much sought-after trifecta: higher productivity, a healthier environment, and a much safer workplace. Armed with high-resolution and more accurate data, all acquired at a much lower cost, progressive governments and businesses, now more than ever, can leverage management resources in a most timely and accessible way. V TOL Aerospace, leading the way in autonomous robotic intelligence.